Okay, here is how you can get into the BIOS system of a MSI Cyborg laptop. So, first of all, you have to press the power button and then press the delete button continuously. And now we are in the BIOS. So you can control this just with the keyboard. As you see, you can control. Here is the boot section. If you wanna, I don't know, install a new Windows or you wanna upgrade the Windows, I don't know, but yeah, basically that's all. It's very easy. And to exit, you just need to go to this option, save and exit. Choose the first one, enter, and that's it. Now you can turn on again your laptop and it should be right. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.